Just another rainy day.
This is not the video you guys expected at all. This is not a hyperlapse production. It is sleeting outside. So that's my excuse of not making a hyperlapse. Now today, I'm just gonna do a straight vlog. I haven't done a regular vlog in a while. I did the Cape and Open State Park vlog. I mean, that was kind of short-ish. It was on the shorter side, but I want to try to make it a little longer. Just talk to you guys about rain and just regular things going on in my life. Today I'm going to take you with, I have one class today, so I'm going to take you with me to Salisbury. Actually going to help my buddy Tyler paint a wall and hang up a TV, so maybe we'll get some cool time lapse and video of that while we're doing that today. And then basically that's about it, all I'm doing today. So just come enjoy the rainy, sleety day with me. Yeah, I should probably go get a jacket on. It's getting a little cold out here.
Hey Cooper, you gonna be a good boy while I'm gone? Huh? You gonna be a good boy while I'm gone? I've got a million of these things. This is probably the best one. I'm definitely gonna need this big jacket when we go to Canada. 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. We're gonna leave that Thursday night. In 2 weeks actually from today. So yeah, on the 30th we're leaving. On November 30th. Bye, Koopy. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Come here. Come here. Can I say bye? No? You don't want to say bye? Alright then. I'll see ya. Alright, so it's now time to go to college. Got one class today. Audio production class. Yeah, it's okay. I was in radio for 2 years. I know how to do all this stuff. Whatever. I'll still go into it. So, let's go. For those people who are asking, yes, I daily drive my Mustang. Yeah, it's awesome, but today I'm gonna have to go kind of slow because it's sleet and rain, and the back end it's traction. Nah, doesn't happen. Did I mention to you guys how much I freaking hate rain? Like, look at this. Look, I'm gonna show you guys this. Now, I know it's freaking snowing up in New York right now. I'm really jealous because I love snow, but I hate rain. I mean, I can't drive anywhere in the snow because the Mustang, but yeah, I just hate rain so much. Remind me again to never try to make a time lapse while it's freaking raining outside. Yeah, never doing that again.